Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to check if a linked list of strings forms a palindrome. So, the problem statement says we have given a linked list handling string data. We have to check whether data is palindrome or not. Note that this is different from checking whether linked list is palindromic or not. Let's understand it using some examples. In the first example, we have given a linked list A, BC, D, DCB, A, null. Data when extracted from this linked list will form string A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, which is palindromic since it reads same from both front and back side. So output will be true. Note that here linked list is not palindromic, but data in the linked list is palindromic. So this is important to note that checking linked list as palindromic and checking data in linked list as palindromic both are different, as we have seen in this example. In the second example, we have given a linked list A, BC, D, BA, null. String formed from linked list data is A, B, C, D, B, A, which is not palindromic, so output will be false. Let's see the algorithm for the problem. First, declare an empty string and start traversing the given linked list. Extract data from each node of the linked list and append data of each node to the empty string. Finally, check whether the constructed string is palindrome or not. Let's understand the code implementation using an example. We have given a linked list A, BC, D, DCB, A. The return type of this function is bool since it will return true or false, telling whether the data is palindrome or not. We pass head of the linked list in this function. Inside this function, we declare an empty string str. So initially str is empty and node is pointing to A. In the first iteration, A will be appended to string str, so str becomes A. In the second iteration, node will point to BC, so we will append this node data to string str. After appending, str becomes ABC. In the third iteration, node will point to D, so we will append this node data to string str. After appending, str becomes ABCD. In the fourth iteration, node will point to DCB. After appending DCB to str, new value of str becomes A, B, C, D, D, C, B. In the fifth iteration, node will point to A. After appending, str becomes A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. Since next of node is null, so new value of node will become null. So we will stop traversing. So we get final string from linked list data as A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. We will check whether this string is palindrome or not. For this, we call the function isPalindromeUtil and pass string str in it. Return type of the function isPalindromeUtil is also bool since it will return true or false depending on the string whether it is palindromic or not. Inside this function, we calculate length of the string using the inbuilt length function and start traversing the string and match characters from beginning and end till we reach mid of the string. So here is the part where we match characters from beginning and end and traverse till middle of the string. We start from first letter A and compare it with last character of the string. Since both characters are same, we move to the second character of the string. We compare this B with the second last character, which is also B. Then we compare third character with the third last character of the string. Since both are same, we move to the fourth character and compare with the last fourth character of the string. Since both are same, we conclude that string str is palindromic since we have reached mid of the string. So the function is palindrome util return true to the function is palindrome. So is palindrome function finally returns true to the main calling function and our algorithm stops. So finally we get output as true means this linked list of strings forms palindrome. Time complexity for this algorithm is O(n), where n is the number of nodes present in the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.